Since we understood how to get onto Power Query page and saw a little bit about the navigation, uh, we will now move on to certain functions that we have which we can use, right? So let's try to understand about close and apply. Close and apply is when you have done everything, all the changes, and then you have to just close the editor page and then apply all the changes. At that time, you will use this. New sources when you have to get data from a new source, a completely new data. If you want, you can click on that and get the data. In the recent sources, you will find all the recent data that we have used so far. Enter data, you can enter a new table altogether uh, onto this. Like manually, you can do that. For that, I have one example with me. So on sheet 2, you will find that we have a small table which shows sales rep and region. Let's try to create this. I will change the column name as sales rep. So added sales rep, and then we have region, and let's input the let's delete this column as not needed. Only two columns is required, right? Um, let's add the informations. Amit, Rakesh, Suresh. Under sales rep column, we need to input the names. We are Amit, Rakesh, and Suresh. Now under region, what you need to do is update West. Control C, and just copy and pasting it. Okay, and last one is West. Okay, so I created the table now. I can click OK. Before that, I will name the table as sales rep region. Is done. So, and click on OK. And as soon as I hit OK, you will see that the table has come up nicely. It has two columns, sales rep and region, and it have been added as a query over here or a data over here on the left hand side. Next is data source settings. So you can see from where the data is coming from, the path, right? And you can also change source of, like, you can browse and then change the data source altogether. You can edit permissions, uh, like whether it's public, organizational, private over here, and export PPI edits and clear permission. These topics will cover later. Um, so uh, this is how so far what we saw is um, till the data source. Manage parameters, export query will not cover. all right, in this in this particular course, because it doesn't come under the purview of it. It is a little bit advanced. So we will continue from a refresh in the next lesson, and so let's see in the next session.